this is Samina Sheikh here, and with me today I have the mentor Bhavna. So join me as I welcome her only on Zoom. Lovely to have you, and definitely having a mentor next to me. I really need some tips from you on that.
Thank you so much. It really means a lot to me. But you look beautiful. You look stunning. You don't need tips, actually.
But I could see that there's a lot of passion involved when you're mentoring, the young girls, basically, preparing them for the pageantry world. How it has been for you?
See, whatever we did, it was from heart, and I really told girls to be themselves. It should come from the heart, so that it should reach to the heart. So that was the only criteria. But yes, they have to talk fashion. So yeah.
And as we talk about fashion, fashion is one thing which in current times everything is becoming fashion. Sometimes it's outdated, sometimes it's vintage,
Yes.
sometimes it's classy, sometimes it's all. What is your personal favorite?
So it has to be pleasing to my soul. If it's pleasing to my soul, it's going to be pleasing to your eyes. So that's the only mantra I follow. I don't follow any trends because they come and go. So it's only me. Bhavna Singh has her own style and she follows only that. Yes, yes.
Interesting.
yes.
And Bhavna, how many years of being a part of this journey, how it has turned out for you? Were there times where you felt like, no, I'm not up to the mark? Did you also lose your confidence and then, you brought back?
See, obviously, it's been 20 years now already in the industry. And yes, it happens. We are human beings, right? It happens. Ups and downs are the part of the game. And I totally respect my downs because they teach me to go up more higher. So I believe like fashion is something, it's so fast moving. And young generation, you see the Gen Zs, they have a different style. So I have to cope up with them also so that I know what they're doing and what the trends are going on so that I can teach them also. So I'm doing well now. So I'm learning and teaching both at the same time.
And lastly, I have to ask you, what is that one thing from the Gen Zs you have learned and adopted in your day-to-day life?
Bindas. Be bindas. Say whatever you want to say. You speak your heart out. So that's what I've learned from them because they are, it comes from their heart. So they don't make up things. Like our generation, we still manipulate things. We manipulate fashion also. But they don't. They wear whatever they want to wear. They say whatever they want to say. So that's the beautiful thing about them.
Lovely chatting with you, Bhavna, and looking forward to see you mentoring them and also looking forward to see more of your work. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I have Mansi Scott to join me as I welcome her only on Zoom.
Thank you for having me.
Lovely look, I must say that.
This is Mandira Witt.
Yeah.
She's one doing all the designing today, and I love her. I've known her for a long time, so I love this 60s, 70s vibe she's given me.
And
So
I have to say, whenever you come on stage, एक अलग सा जलवा होता है. तो इस बार क्या जलवा मचाने
इस
वाला?
बार stage पे नहीं आ रही हूँ because I've been too busy with other things, and yeah, Natasha is to be blamed for it. But yeah, every year, this year I've come just as a spectator, so जलवा अभी यहीं पे है.
I have to ask you, जब आप on stage होते हो, ऐसा क्या vibe है जो हमेशा आप carry करते हो?
Stage is home for me. Like, matlab, the vibe is over the top. The vibe is me. It's home. I just want to bring my best foot forward because stage is an earned space. So, my God, stage is amazing. The vibe is the audience and what they make me do on stage.
And I have to ask you, Mansi, that we have, we have tripped on your songs. When are we going to see your next album releasing?
It is releasing. In fact, I'm doing a show at NMACC on the 21st, all original music. There are 3 new songs releasing over the next 3 months. It's a lot of music coming this month, this year.
And lastly, before I let you go, who do you desire to work with?
Cher, Ed Sheeran, Imagine Dragons, Coldplay. Those are the people.
Well, lovely chatting with you, Mansi, and as dapper as you look, we look forward to see your work.
Thank
and
you.
of course, thank you for gracing the red carpet of Miss Diva. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me. Thank you for having me.
Thank you.